Okay, I'm back, you guys. I said I was going to harvest sweet potatoes today. That's kind of iffy because the container has, well, I never did take it off the drip system, so the dirt inside is kind of wet. But I'll see. Maybe one container is available for me to harvest. But otherwise, I'm going to have to wait a few days till it dries out. But this one here is a red potato, and it is clearly ready to come out. You can tell because the leaves are all yellow and the stem is all wilted. So even though it has been on the drip system, it doesn't look all that wet. So I'm going to try to harvest these potatoes. And I know I got one big potato because I saw it and covered it up. But yeah, we'll see what I get. See, this is a big one. Is that, okay, no, that is not green. So it's edible. Nice looking potato there. Feel one here. Yeah, it's kind of wet. I'll still do it. These are red potatoes. Nice size. From this, this is not even a 5-gallon bucket. I'm not sure, 10-gallon. And this potato here came from a volunteer potato that was in my compost bin. So it really did well for the few months that it was growing. Okay, I'm gonna dig this out. Sorry for my fingers, you guys. I'm gonna dig this out and I'll let you see what I got for the final harvest. Okay, I got this turned over. I think that we're just gonna get the 2 potatoes. Yep, well, that was pretty good considering it's a volunteer. Nice dirt though. All right, here we go with the sweet potatoes. This is a cloth grow bag, and it seems to be dry. I used the soil moisture meter on it, and it says it's dry. So I'm going to pull these leaves off of here, these vines, and then I'll start digging for potatoes. Hopefully I'll get, if I even get one, I'll be happy because I haven't had sweet potatoes grow in a long time. I'm going to have to pull this out. Can't do it with just one hand, so you guys won't get to see that. But hold on. Oh, this vine is tough. You guys, I'm just going to have to put you on hold and dig it out. Sorry. All right, look, you guys. I got some little sweet potatoes. Here's one. Now, I don't know how I'll cook that, but there's another one. I hope you can see. It's not the best light. Another one. I don't want to break them. Oh, that's a fat one. Can you see that one? Very nice potato. Ah. These sweet potatoes here are all twined up together. Okay, here's another one. Here's one. Oh, I broke it. I think that's the other half there. I feel some more down there. Okay, let me put you on hold again because I don't want to break any more of these potatoes. Can you see that one? Okay, I'll put you on hold. Let's see, I feel a bunch of them. Okay. Okay, you guys, I'm back. This is my haul from that 5-gallon grow bag. And I'm going to go on to the next one because even though it's got a little bit of moisture in there, I think it's better because this one was super dry and it's hard to get those potatoes out of dry ground. So let me put you on hold again and I'm going to go to this one. I'll pull out that and I will start digging. Yeah, there's some moisture in here. I think it'll be a little bit easier if there are any potatoes in there. But I'm happy with what I have. I mean, I don't know what I'm going to do with this little small haul, but and this, I don't think I can't cook that. I don't think that's more like a carrot. But anyway, let's see what comes out of this grow bag. Okay, you guys, I poured some of the dirt out and I have hit sweet potatoes. And again, I don't want to break them. There, this one it's small, if you can see that. Broke that one. I don't know. I don't think I'm going to get anything out of this. Let me put you on hold again so I can do this right. Okay. Yes, I'm sorry for my dog. I think I'm just getting stems out of this bag. I don't know whether you can see in there, but everything is real small. And look at that. I don't think I pulled them too early because we're going to get into the rainy season and they might start rotting. So I think they just weren't going to grow. Okay, I'm going to see if I can get anything else out of this, and then I'm going to go on to this last container. Okay, this is all that I got from that second bucket. And it's like they didn't have time to grow, even though I planted them at the same time as the other bucket. So these are just about useless. They're more like stems than sweet potatoes. So I don't know, I might try something with these too. But anyway, this will go in the compost. Okay, on to the next bucket. Okay, again, my dog, he's chasing squirrels, I guess. Let me pull, these are 3 vines. And this is a weed coming over here. Okay, now I don't know. This doesn't look too promising. This ground is wet. I mean, the dirt is wet. I don't feel a thing in this one. I don't know. I'll get back with you guys. Okay, this was the contents of that bucket. Is that a potato there? It's a small one. Okay. I think all of them are going to be small. Here are a couple. This is disappointing. That is not going to be usable, I don't think. All of these are small. Okay, I'm going to put you on hold and dig these little potatoes out. And I'll just show you the ones that might be halfway decent. Okay. Okay, I've learned a lesson, you guys. I would have gotten a pretty good haul if I had done one thing and asked me, how many times did I fertilize these potatoes? And the answer is, I don't know. I can't remember the last time I put some fertilizer on it, or if I ever did. So, next year, I'm going to get on a routine. You can tell the potatoes that I got from this last bin because they're all muddy. I think I might be able to get 1 or 2 servings of sweet potatoes, but I'll definitely have to be going to Kroger, if that's what you guys call it. Food Co. That's what it is here, to get my sweet potatoes for sweet potato pie this year, because I won't be getting them from this. But anyway, it's still something to eat, so I'm not going to complain. This is my era. If I had done, I think, fertilizer, if I had put a little bit more fertilizer on here, I would have gotten a lot of sweet potatoes. So anyway, learn from my mistakes, you guys. And I just wanted to show you this last. Remember, last week I planted onions and garlic. They are now coming up. You see this one here. I mulched them in straw. So I've gotten some, I'm getting some germination here and also here. Don't ask me which one is garlic and which one is onions, because I don't know. I forgot to label it, but there's another one. I'll be able to tell the difference as they grow. Okay, you guys, and there's my carrots still hanging in. And remember the butter crunch lettuce that I'm sorry, this for this poor lighting. The butter crunch lettuce that I thought was dying. Well, they're not dying. They're doing very well. So I'll have some more lettuce this year. Okay, you guys, I'll show you. So this is the next red potato that I have to pull out. Let me see, we used the last of my red potatoes from the last harvest last week. So these are coming just in time. So I got my two. Uh-oh. Am I going to ruin it? Got my two red potatoes and a little bit of sweet potatoes. Okay, I said I was going to go. But anyway, you guys have a blessed week. Enjoy your day. And don't forget to get out and enjoy your garden. And thank you to my new subscribers and everybody. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.